And it's only starting now. And to think, namhlanje, it's 364 days, sasa 365, but it's only starting now ukuthi ngirealize ukuthi no, abasekho, and this is what's happening. Ngingena esitoro mengithiwa nje ngiyangena eWoolworths la ngithanda khona ukuthengela iy'ngane. Mengingena khona ngizoqala in the male section, ngiphinde ngisuke ngihambe ngiye to the kiddies male section, because my head still says angibhekele my husband something, to a point ukuthi at some point ngangena ngamthengela iskipa, ngadlula ngayothengela uAndile iskipa, then ngayobheka eSalizwi, but in my head it still says bakhona out there angababoni. And I think more than anything into engizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi angizange ngibabona on their last days, angizange ngibona lutho. It's like inganekwane in a sense ukuthi my heart still says bakhona somewhere, ngiyabezwa, ngiyababona, So I started doing column writing in my diary, and the only question that keeps coming is it too late to grieve? Angazi noma ngisangaqala manje ngithi I'm now hurting, because yonke lento engidlule kuyona, even sekwenzekile, yes, angizange ngidlula in accepting ukuthi ngithi okay, now they are no more, and fanele ngiqalele phansi and pick up the pieces. Instead ngibhekane nokuthi I have to worry about a family that's trying to get everything off, having to deal with izinto, fearing for my life. uNkulunkulu sengisindisile ke ngaphila, ngiyakwazi ukuhambela, ngiyakwazi ukubona ezinye izinto, ngiyakwazi, even though ngingekwazi ukufunda like ama text, fine text and whatsoever, but ngiyakhona uku-enlarge izinto, ngibone ukuthi okay, this is that, ngiyakwazi ukuzihambela.